Hey Gopal. So ngayon nandito na tayo bandang Quezon City, Anonas. So we're on the way to a private exclusive training no, ng isang company who invited us to facilitate the digital marketing training and automation and digital transformation in their organization. Sabi nila they'd like to expand pa their business online, especially New Year, no, in just few weeks start na naman tayo ng bagong taon. Um, ang gusto natin syempre to start stronger and better, 'di ba? With new skills, new knowledge, new technologies that we can use pa, 'di ba? Definitely our business will be in a better position. So napakagandang opportunities nito, not just for the company, no, but also it will benefit yung mga employees, no. Kasi imagine, napaka generous ng company nila, no, na mag-outsource ng ganitong event para i-train sila, no. Kasi syempre if the employees, if the people behind the business are equipped with knowledge and skills and tools and resources, then what can expect, 'di ba? We can expect a better results for the business, no? So that's why yung mga ganitong investment, napakalaking tulong niya para i-optimize pa or i-improve pa yung ating mga negosyo. It's a face-to-face event. Normally, di ba, mapansin nyo yung Gopal Media Pro, we are also offering a monthly webinar. With that, offer natin yung mga um, courses and training, no, about digital marketing, sales automation, email marketing, lead generation, SEO, web development. Meron din tayong AI, no, definitely, kasi syempre saan ba ang direksyon ng economy globally, di ba? Ito ay papunta lahat sa AI, no. Sabi ko nga nung kinikwento ko nga nung nakaraang webinar, na mention ko doon yung nakita ko na um, bagong technology na ginagamit ngayon sa supermarket nandito na sa Pilipinas, no, yung automated nilang merchandiser. Imagine yung mga produkto dati na dinadala-dala ng mga kapwa nating Filipino, no, inaayos nila yan sa mga shelves, no, yung iba may hawak na mga products para magpa-taste test sa loob ng groceries. Now hindi na ganoon, no, meron ng automated machine kung saan doon nakapatong yung mga products, and then from aisle to aisle aandar siya ng kusa, no, nadidetect niya rin kung bubunggo siya o hindi, no, because of that technology. Another employee, another individual locally in the Philippines ang nawalan na naman ng trabaho because of technology. So, hindi natin ito makokontrol yung mga ganitong bagay, di ba? Siyempre, it's part of our progress, it's part of technological advancement, no? So, what we can do, di ba? What we can do is that, siyempre, makapag-adapt tayo ng mabilis, di ba? So, that's why, yung mga ganitong training, upskilling, getting more knowledge will help us position in the market, 'di ba? Much better. Kasi syempre, mas alam mo yung mga bagong technology, mas makakapag-apply ka, mas makakapag contribute ka sa company. Then mas magkakaroon ka ng opportunity makapag-work, 'di ba, sa mga kumpanya na to, or if you're naman student, then mas madali kang makakapasok sa mga company, sa mga organization because of your knowledge and skills in the background, 'di ba? Because paano naman kung wala kang skills and knowledge in the technological era o digital era? Napakahirap nun. Siyempre, lots of manual labor will be challenged talaga, 'di ba? Isipin mo na lang meron na tayong self-driving car, no? Sa China meron na siya, no? Sa US meron na din siya, 'di ba? And now, if you watch TV, if you see it online, Tesla is also here in the Philippines already, which is EV, electric vehicle, no? So what does it mean? No? It's another technology na nag-adapt, no, sa economy. No? So for us as a individual, we also need to adapt, no? That's the main point of this training and upskilling. It's a never ending learning process for all of us, especially, for students, young entrepreneurs or business owners. It's a never ending discovery of how we can do more, how we can expand, how we can reach more our audiences or customers, no, na may offer natin yung ating mga products or services ng mas mabilis, mas cost efficient, di ba? I think it's on the other side. Pangalan niya Task As. Maghahanap muna kami ng parking kung saan kami pwedeng huminto at maglalakad na lang siguro kami papunta dun sa mismong office. Right, so nandito na kami sa area kung saan malapit na lang yung company, wala kang mahanap na parking, so maglalakad na lang kami. Ayun, yun, nakakita kami ng isa. Ayan, free space. Sa amin na to, sa amin na yan ngayon. Okay. Alright, so nahanap na namin yung parking namin.
Makakalabas ka kaya?
Ang tanong kung makakalabas ako. Oo, kaya. Ikaw? Alanganin yung parking.
Pero kasi na talaga tayo.
Ha?
Hindi ka makakalabas o labas ka muna?
Hindi, kaya. Kaya ko makalabas, ikaw.
Kung makakalabas ka dyan na lang ako lalabas. Kung walang dyan sa'yo, lulubang ako na lang dyan.
Yun, so ito, nakapag-park na kami. Medyo masikip yung nahanap na parking. Hopefully okay na to.
Okay, boss.
Kasi yung mga 2 oras tayo dun sa training. Try natin makakuha ng ng video sa loob. Hopefully payagan tayo. Okay. Prabo Kevin. Alright. Naglakad na lang kami. Diyan kami sa area. Mini Prabo. Walk. Tamang lakad na lang kami. Ha? 301. Punta nga tayo manong guard.
Surot na kita.
Sige. So, paakila tayo. (301) 302. Oh, 301.
Sige sir, pasok.
Pasok lang. You know, it's X, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. Sobrang dami mong pwedeng gawin. Or, tulad nung TV, no? TV commercials, radio, reels, newspapers. Ito lang natin. Basta nila sa kanila. Pero hindi nag-work. No? Kasi nga idea yun na. Anyways, that we are using. Okay? So, these days, sobrang daming AI tools na pwede natin gamitin. Kasi currency, attention. Attention, di ba? So, ano ginagawa nila? They're taking what? Attention. No? The reason for that, no, organic marketing is to prepare your business account. To prepare your business account for what? No? For trust and credibility. Imagine nag-run ka ng ads. Wala ka man lang post sa Facebook mo, wala man lang, alam mo yun, testimonials, case studies, wala man lang product futures, wala man lang company profile, background, walang story, walang narrative. How can you make money out of that? And mapapansin mo, a lot of businesses are doing that. No? And then they would expect, bakit walang bumibenta? No? Walang benta, walang bumibili. No? Because they don't know. This one, Gopal Media Pro. So we provide monthly training about digital transformation. We're applying in the business and the corporate. We're sharing it there. Boss.
I-award ko lang po itong certificate of appreciation kay Sir Albert Dollar. Ang basahin ko lang po yung nakalagay. In sincere appreciation of his dedication, commitment, and support, and for sharing valuable insights and expertise as a resources speaker during the Digital Marketing Seminar 101 Tools and Techniques for Businesses.
We just finished the training. Now, we're going home. Lakad na naman kami pabalik sa parking. Sobrang ganda ng training and pagkaka-setup niya. Napakalaking opportunity to for all the participants and students na nag-join. Half of them are actually business owners, no? Hindi ko na-expect na halo-halo din sila. So more than 50 plus yung dumating. A lot of them also received their Christmas gifts coming from the companies. I didn't expect that also. They gave that some Christmas gifts as well. Show you. Let me show you that. Yeah. So we're back here. Now we're walking around Anonas, going back to our parking spot. I'm going to wrap up the day again. So overall, it's a great experience. Very nice opportunity to share our knowledge and of course yung experiences natin and the advantages of digitalization, no? So it's an eye-opening experience for their employees, for the companies, so that they can use that by next year, 2025. Using this digital marketing, digital transformation, these new AI tools coming in, no, we can maximize all of these resources. These tools, most of them are actually free pa, where you can try it, no, and then measure your campaigns as well. Napakalaking tulong niya sa ating mga negosyo. And for students naman and young professionals, young entrepreneurs, there is a way to improve pa, gain more experiences, learn more skills, and knowledge to build that foundation so that we can contribute more to the success of our organizations that we are part of. So I'm so grateful and happy that I was able to be a part of this exclusive event of that company. There you go. Christmas gift. Oh. Right. Okay. Hindi pa kami kumakain kaya magmerienda muna kami. So far dito sa parking area, may nakita kaming this one. Whoop! Plant-based, yeah. Okay. Let's do this. Plant-based donut. Where's that? Yun! Pwede yan. So for those of anyone who would like to learn more about AI in marketing, we have an upcoming event. Next week. So that's December 15 to wrap up the year with more knowledge, more skills that we can use for next year. So hopefully we can meet there. That's December 15. Our discussion there will be around AI in marketing. So around 3 p.m. Look for Gopal Media Pro online. We have the link there so you can register. Scroll it down there and you will see our invites as well. Okay, hope to see you there.